Hey guys, this is your boy Shvia Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and hit that subscribe button. I'll show you how you're gonna blur the video on CapCut PC. So you're gonna click create project, click import, and I'm gonna choose a video. Okay. So what you need to do is to add this right here. So we need to create an overlay of this. So we're gonna right click on this video, and we're gonna hit copy. All right. Now on top of it, we're gonna hit paste. Okay, make sure you adjust the video on the same line. Okay, so we're gonna click on the layer right here. We're gonna go to video, and we're gonna go to basics, and we're gonna change the scale of the video to 101. Okay, to videos right here, we're gonna cut out auto removal, and we're gonna wait for it to process. When I go to effects and video effects, we're gonna search for blur. Okay, the blur effects. Fuck it, I'm just gonna add this, the halo blur right here. Okay, so you're gonna add it on the first layer right here. Okay, and right here you can adjust. You can go to strength, how many strength you want this, and the speed. So we're gonna apply this, and now let's say you've just clicked anywhere on the video and you notice that there's no blur anymore. Okay, so you're gonna click here, you're gonna right click, and you're gonna edit effects, and right here you can see the effects, and yeah, so right now here's our clip. I don't mind the freaking IDM. Alright, so it looks pretty good to me. Here you can adjust how many blur you'd like to give this.
Subscribe to my channel.